Welcome back, guys, to another Project Shed video. I know you guys are loving these at the moment. A lot of you say that in the comments, which is wicked. We'll start this video off with a couple of questions I've been asked over the last week since the last video. I still can't believe I get this. Yes, the Supra's mine. Check out the rest of my freaking channel and all the videos. That's not your Supra. Alright, mate, it's not my Supra. I've just got freaking 100 odd videos of it, of me and my friends building it. No, it's not my Supra at all. Next, no, I don't like to bitch and make videos like other YouTube channels. Oh look, I've got a negative comment. I need to make a video about the negative comment. I need to make content by making a video of me talking. Nope, don't do that. Don't care. Not going to do that. Not going to start. I think that's pretty sad, if I'm honest. And yes, I'm going to get the shed running. The shed is in there, as you can see, and we have the new freaking loom that's arrived. And so someone did say, oh, you ain't got it running yet and you're doing headlights. Well, it's called waiting for the postman, so I'm going to do another video while I'm waiting. Anyway, let's crack on, guys! So there we are, a nice little side-by-side shot. This is the brand that has a spanking new one. I will say it cost me 70 quid, but that's about the price it's supposed to be, from what I believe. Let's get this Ricky fitted. Let's get it fitted, let's get it rebuilt, and let's see if we can get the car started. So we're going to take our new wand, and we're going to slide it in from this side somehow. I can't even remember how I freaking got it out. But move these pipes out of the way. Stop getting snagged. Come on. Right, we're halfway in the hole. That's what she said. Lift that up. Again, that's what she said. Move my screwdriver out of the way. I hope she didn't say that. There we go, we're sliding through. You'll notice that I've left the connectors in the little, like, trays. I don't know what to describe them as. Almost, they're like plugs, but not plugs, just so it holds them out of the way and keeps them safe. A little bit tight to push in some of these because of these metal clips have to bend in as they're going through. And lastly, come on, we've got one more to go through. Come on. Right, I'll put the camera down just while I get my hands on this to push it across to clip it into place. 1 second. So I pushed it through, so it's nice and tight. It will just need bolting up, and that will seal it. I pulled the plugs out of the loom bit, so we can hopefully try and bend them into place. Well, it shouldn't pull off as easy as that, so it wasn't clipped in place. Come on, there we go, down there. That's it. Pushes down and there's almost like a little bit of a click. You feel it more than you can hear it. There we go. You can feel it like lock into place. So nearly there. Last two. Yeah, nice solid click that. Last one. There we go. That's my garage door banging again. Right, so I need to bolt the 2 bolts in the side now to squash that in to seal it up. The rest of it's clipped in place. You can see the metal brackets are just holding it where it should be. They're all plugged in. So bolt that in, connect the plug on, and then we'll clean up like where the seal sits, and then we'll put the cover back on and build it back up, and we'll go from there. So I've cleaned up where the seal's going to see. As you can see, it's nice and shiny. I've not got a new seal. I'm hoping this is going to seal. If not, I'll have to buy a new one. But again, trying to keep costs down. So I'm going to place this on there, get it lined up, and then we'll start tightening everything up. So the cover's on. It was a bit fiddly, and I didn't show you because it was freaking fiddly as out. But now I'm just going to tighten up the bolts, line up these pipes so they lock underneath the bolts. Put the breather back in, put the EGR back on, make sure everything's connected back up. I'll leave the engine cover off for now, and then we'll try and fire her up and see what she sounds like. Fingers crossed, man. So it's all tightened down. I started to do one at a side like that, you know, in a zigzag pattern, and then I'll top it off by going in a circle, so it's all clamped down nice. Got this pipe to put on. I've removed this extender because people have told me to remove it because that's what's leaking, so it just literally untwists, and so I've removed that. I was going to clean out the EGR, but And some of you are going to be like, well, it's off, so clean it. A lot of you have freaking whinged at me and said that I should be putting like an EGR delete on it or something like that. So I'm not even going to bother cleaning this one for now. I'm just going to put it back on because I know it works. And then later down the line I'll take it off and we'll do an EGR delete. But at the moment, I'm just going to go back on. So I've just got to connect these last few bits and bobs up and then we'll be there ready to start it. Well, it's back together. It's at one of my 6mm freaking Allen key bits down there and it's not dropped out the bottom. It's pissed me off a bit. I kind of want it back, but I can't find it. So everything's together, all the pipes, the vac pipes for everything on the EGR's back in. Plug for the looms on. The only thing we can do now is test. So let's put the battery back on. Providing. Oh yeah, there's our chirp. It's still got life. There's nothing loose on top of the engine, is there? There, alright, up there. That's on, that's on, that's on. Screwdriver down there. We'll put that up there out the way. Right. Yep, we're definitely unlocked. So this is the first. You just watched me put the battery on. I've got no idea what it's going to do, whether it's going to start or anything. Fingers crossed. Here goes. Alright, alright. Yeah, that's running on 4. Yeah. That sounds loads healthier, that does. Loads healthier. Listen to that baby purr. I love it. Let's give it a bit of a rev. Oh yeah. We are bang on, guys. We have a car running on 4 cylinders. The same, it looks like it's shit. I'm sat inside the shed and there's no vibration. It's running just like it should run. It's a pleasant place to be. It stinks a bit, but we'll sort that out. And a light on my dashboard's just gone off, but I can't tell you which one it was because I didn't see which one it was. So there's only 3: handbrake, petrol and brake pads. Yeah! She's so responsive. So I think I've satisfied you guys out there saying getting the engine running, because it runs and it sounds amazing. It sounds spot on, no knocks, no nothing. So that's good, that's good. That's going to save us time and money. Yes, it needs a service, and yes, I need to fix that oil cooler at some point, preferably before the leak. But I have other things that I'm in the middle of doing, so I need to get the headliner done. I need to swap out the door cards and the quarter card still. Get some wings as well, preferably. And then swap the wing mirrors. I'm trying to think of the other things I bought that I still need to swap. So a bit of a short video, but a good video because she runs. And I did a bit of a live feed as well. So a good video, I'm quite happy with that. I've just been touching in some of the stone chips on my front bumper. It still looks crap, I'll be honest. But it looks better than the one that we had, and it's a sportier one, so not really bothered. I will fix this grill so it doesn't flap around like that. But that's all for another video. I'm so happy. It runs good. Really happy. Thank you very much, guys, for watching this video. Please check me out in the next one. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. I'll have a chat with you. I'll reply back. I normally reply to everyone in the first 24 hours. After that, it can be a bit sketchy, but I always try. So make sure you add me on Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, everything else, and I'll talk to you there. I'll see you in another video, guys.